Take a ride in the 2018 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.